Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all did not make no intro or outro for this video, but here's the intro. And y'all, in this video it's gonna be my birthday vlog for Puerto Rico. And yeah, make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn the bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I post. And y'all, I'm still a little sick from the trip, so not too much of my voice if it sounds crazy, but yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video and let's get right into it. Alright guys, we're on a plane now. A mess. It's so hot. Guys, we're in the airport. We've been here for like 30 minutes or an hour. My mom was in the bathroom doing her makeup. Todd is sitting here with me, and we're about to leave to go to Puerto Rico soon. I took like a 5-minute nap. I was gonna record, but it's nothing really to record. Like, I'm just sitting here in the airport, just doing nothing. And yeah, I was watching SpongeBob on the first flight or whatever. We have a layover, but yeah. Hopefully y'all can hear me because it is a little loud, but yeah.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. There's something. Hold on. We gon' function. No assumptions. Feeling like
We just made it off the plane. Where am I? Over there? Bro, I'm carrying 2 freaking book bags. Guys, we're going to get our luggage now. A mess. Alright guys, we got our luggage and we was all stressed out because they had to check our bags in, but we got them. And we're going outside now. Y'all, I'm literally sweating. I would take this hoodie off, but I'm not even knowing I'm sweating under this. And I have a gray shirt, so I'm gonna just spare myself. Cause yeah. Now we done went the wrong way. Oh no. You ain't no bell. You want the scrunchie here? Tie the scrunchie around your Never mind, you too big. That ain't gonna work. Y'all, my edges literally sweated out. Oh, I'm so tired. It don't make no sense. They leaving me. No, it's too hot, y'all. This thing. Look at that. Y'all ready for this content? Oh, gee, I am. Y'all can't even see me. I'm gonna get back with y'all later.
later. Some with it. Look at that nice sound with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride, blade on her.
Guys, we made it into the Airbnb, y'all. We was out till like 9. Do not mind my voice, bro. I am sick. I just sound like so sick and so raspy and so I don't know. Hopefully y'all can hear me because the fan on and the TV on and I don't feel like turning neither off. So what to do? I don't know, y'all. My birthday in 1 hour. My birthday in 1 hour, y'all. But I don't know, man. I'm just updating y'all because yeah, I have a recording on my phone. I don't know. I feel like my lashes just look so wonky, but like I don't know, like what is this, bro? Like literally that space right there. Oh my, oh no. And then this one keep going down, like my voice. I don't like how I sound right now, y'all. My face breaking out, but it's okay. It's okay. Well, it's not okay. Bro, my lash, bro, too much going on, bro. I'm about to fix my lashes because this is crazy. Like, I cannot be looking like this. And my edges, oh no. Yo. Oh no. But I'm not about to do my edges because I'm about to go to sleep. That's a waste of edge control. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna pick up my phone and record. But yeah, I had some burrito tacos today. They were good. That was not my first time having burrito tacos either. But while I'm out here, I want to try like a lot of new foods. Like I never tried. Like, I don't want no burger. I don't want no fries. I don't want like nothing. And y'all, we got on a bus. Oops, we got on a bus. Y'all got footage of the bus for y'all and all that stuff. I'm a little tired, but I'm gonna probably stay up till 12 because it's my birthday. Like October 17th, the best day out of the 365. I don't care what anybody has to say. Because like, what would y'all be about for? But yeah, I just wanted to vlog and check in whatever because I don't know. The last time I picked up my phone to vlog was probably when I was outside like early in the morning when we just got off the plane and out the airport. But yeah, my lips look dry too, like oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all either in the morning or later on the day. And yeah, hey guys, it's the next morning and don't mind my voice, but we're gonna fight for it. It's my birthday, y'all. Happy birthday to me. This is what I'm wearing and then I'm gonna change later. Then we're gonna go parasailing later. Oh, our Uber here, y'all. We about to go to brunch, breakfast. Good morning.
Watch me.
Yes. Oh, my voice. So gracious. 4529.
4529.
Yes. Guys, it's so hot, bro. It's like 90 degrees. Alright guys, we're here. My edges are gone. Alright guys, this is our food. This is mine. That's my mom's. And that's Todd's food.
I've never eaten an egg like this, y'all.
Hurry.
You eat them like that? You eat your eggs like this?
Mom! It's okay. I had it like that before.
It was good?
It was,
Alright.
it was good. But I don't think it was that.
I was with Lou when we went out to eat. Remember? Rico was good. That's the only time I first tried egg like this.
And they can, I was about to ask you to sit right there, so I can sit right here. We walk it together. Over this first. It's fine, she can put it on her own phone.
Yeah.
So I say, dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for allowing us to celebrate innocence. Amen.
Yeah, boy.
You have some of my eggs. You don't know that. You don't like it? Set it to the side. I'm here. Don't worry about it. You have it. Try it.
I can be the one, yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in my life, pretty little hand, even when we're down to the wire, babe, even when you are down, we can do it better, say one time. This love is a show.
That never gotta see that.
Dang, I've been recording for 24 minutes. Oh no. See y'all later.
Oh, he jumped? Oh!
I don't even know. I can't even see them. Oh, I see. Guys, we at the beach. The water, it's warm, it's cold warm. Guys, it looks so pretty. Look at us. I can't even speak for real. I'm getting a little lightheaded, I'm not gonna lie. But it's so cute, y'all, look. Alright guys, the parasail got canceled, so we're gonna go jet ski riding. Go over there, get everything situated. And yeah, I'm sitting here looking cute. And my voice is still terrible. I can't even scream or nothing. I'm scared I'm gonna drop my phone, but I'm really not that scared because, yeah. But look at this. That's crazy. Yeah, I'll catch y'all later. We're gonna go parasailing tomorrow. We got rescheduled because of the weather. But it's okay. Alright guys, we're here at the jet ski place. Kinda not really. We just got the Uber, y'all.
Hi, the Uber dropped us off at Kayaking. He said that it's in here, going here.
My voice sounds so bad. But it's okay, I'm gonna still record for y'all.
Okay, here she go.
Oh, she's so cute.
Alright, we found the spot.
Look at my mom up there.
Yeah.
The one that make it all happen. And talk to me. I love them. Would I feel good?
Think we should do something crazy. Like say fuck everyone. nightly routine. Yeah, you know what I mean. Telling everybody all mine that I'm thankful, and I really hope you don't mind. I can't fight it. No, you know I cannot hide it. 'Cause I'm so excited that I finally decided. It's been another perfect day with ya. Wanna
6.5 hours later.
lay with ya, spend the night with ya, and spend my life with ya. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, you heard me right. Don't go.
Guys, we're still outside. I can't even really talk for real. We're 3 minutes away from the restaurant that we're going to. And yeah, we saw a few cats. We saw like 3 cats. Or whatever. I don't know.
And not no little kittens. Them things is fluffy. Like, they eating good.
Yeah.
You see how big them things was?
Everywhere you go, you know I'll go. Everywhere you go, you know I'll go. Everywhere you go, everywhere you go. Just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other. Ooh, we found one in another. Telling everybody you're mine and I like it, I like it. And I really hope you don't mind. I can't fight it, don't fight it. No, you know I cannot hide it. 'Cause I am so excited that I finally decided on you. Oh yeah, so it's been another perfect day. Wanna lay, wanna spend the night with ya, spend my life with ya. Alright, alright. You know I'm down to ride. You know I am down to ride. You know I am down to ride. Hey, there she goes. Please don't forget, oh yeah, forget. Knock it up with me, get knock it up. Alright, right by your side.
8 hours later.
I'll go everywhere you go. You know I'll go. Everywhere you go. You know I'll go. Everywhere you go. You know I'll go.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. We just finished breakfast and we just finished taking pictures on the beach. It's now 5 and my mom took my lovely pictures back there. We're about to go back to the place and get changed so we can get in the water. And it's so hot, y'all. My voice still gone, that's why I haven't been recording much of me. I just been recording like the scenery and where I'm going, stuff like that. But yeah, I took medicine and I will get better. Well, I am feeling better. But yeah, look at them. This is the outfit. It's so hot, guys. We went jet skiing yesterday, but I couldn't record because they said no phones. But I do have videos and pictures. I might not put them in there because I don't really like them, but the jet skiing, we went for like an hour. Don't mind my edges, and not too much. I am like very sweating, and then on top of that, my face already be greasy, so it don't make it no better. Anyways, yeah, guys, I took a lot of pictures. I'm so ready to make this thumbnail.
Okay, I gotta stick my thumb in there.
Girl, when I went to feel like a champion.
With this finger. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Help.
Okay.
Oh, wait, it's gonna fall. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Big 16. Big dog, not the little dog. Come on. Big one. Big one. Yeah.
Hopefully my phone don't fall. Help. I want it right here.
Okay.
Oh wait, it's gonna fall. Oops.
You tighten
Oops.
it right here.
Oops.
Once you got it where you want it. That's where you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sing. 3, wait. Get in the camera. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hopefully my phone don't fall.
Fire. Let's go.
That was actually kind
That
of
y'all
hard.
definitely gonna come true. Okay. She want that bad. For real.
I can be the one, yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in my life, pretty little hand. Even when we're down to the wire, babe, even when you are down, we can do it better, sleep on the train. This love is a show.
With that, never gotta see that. With that, never gotta see that.
Hey guys, we're in Wegmans, and I just got like a conch shell, a pink one. I'm gonna show you later. I'll take a picture. I don't know when the last time I started vlogging, but yeah, we just been walking around. We went to the beach earlier. Our parasailing got canceled again, so we're gonna go tomorrow. My voice is still bad, but it's still better. And yeah. This is my outfits for today. And I got Puerto Rico bag to hold holding her. Puerto Rico bag. And yeah.
With that, never gotta see that. With that, never gotta see that.
From the blood, be letting me fire it up, right here, baby. From the lyric, baby. Pour that same on my son. Rise on the worm and it's you. Need a down to serve that paper, baby. Say I am the one, 'cause you want to. Rather not today, when the sky gets falling, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in my eyes, pretty little hand. Even when I'm down to the wire, even when you are down,
With
we
that,
can do it better, simple and plain.
with that, never gotta see that.
Here we are right here together, side by side beside each other, drifting through the sweet melody. Love the air, I love the.
You know, I see.
I can be the blackboard, you can be the top, and I can be the one. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in my eyes, pretty little hand. Even when we're down to the wire, babe, even when you are down, we can do it better, sleep on the train. This love is a show.
With that, never gotta see that. With that, never gotta see that.
Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging warm with my heart, just give me everything so I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. 'Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Can we know you're the time? Fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Had a me up, don't let me down. I think I know. I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to
can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I can't, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Oh my gosh, Cody. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in a given time. Personal problems still a talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it, you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the vibe. I be on the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach him. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Brought it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the wheel ride with her.
Hey guys, it's like days later and I'm just not making a actual for this video. And I know I did not do a lot of talking, but it's mainly because my voice was gone. So I had to at least record the scenery and what I was doing and stuff for y'all. So don't mind how I wasn't talking that much in the video. That's why, because my voice was gone. But this is the end of the video. Hopefully y'all liked the video. And if you did, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell so you don't miss out on any videos. But yeah, guys.